Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best smart dash camera. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features: 1600p high resolution for crystal clear footage. The DDPAI Mola N3 Pro provides ultra-clear 2560 1600p resolution, powered by an f/1.8 aperture and a 6-glass lens. This combination captures sharper and brighter footage, ensuring that key details such as license plates and road signs remain clearly visible from up to 10 meters away, even in bright daylight. Real Cube image technology for enhanced colors. Equipped with Real Cube image technology, the Mola N3 Pro boosts color and light balance in each frame, resulting in more vivid, natural details and balanced contrast. This feature, based on color boost algorithms, adds depth to video quality and provides clarity even in variable lighting conditions, such as dusk or cloudy days. Dual view recording for comprehensive coverage. The wide-angle dual cameras provide a clear view of both the front and rear of the vehicle, recording pedestrians, traffic, and vehicles around you. This feature is essential for collecting sufficient evidence in the event of an accident or liability issues, ensuring that both perspectives are captured. Sense Reality Skin 2.0 for immersive driving experience. The SR skin effect, combined with GPS, AG sensor, and a 3-axis gyroscope, enables a unique racing experience simulation for users. This feature enhances the immersion of driving by displaying real-time vehicle dynamics, creating a vivid experience for those interested in monitoring their driving performance. Seamless loop recording with high storage capacity. The Mola N3 Pro supports loop recording with up to 128 GB of storage. When the memory card is full, the dashcam automatically overwrites older, unlocked recordings, ensuring you never miss a moment of footage. For optimal performance, it's recommended to use a Class 10 or higher micro SD card. 24-hour parking monitoring with IPS hardwire kit. When connected to an IPS hardwire kit, the dashcam provides 24-hour monitoring, even when the car is parked and turned off. The power management system monitors car voltage to prevent battery drain, turning the device into a 24/7 surveillance tool that protects your vehicle around the clock. Reliable G sensor for collision detection. The built-in G sensor detects sudden shakes or collisions, immediately saving and locking the relevant footage into an event file. This feature provides reliable evidence in the event of an incident, making it a crucial feature for insurance claims or personal protection. Supercapacitor power source for durability. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, the DDPAI Mola N3 Pro uses a supercapacitor, allowing it to withstand extreme temperatures from 4F to 158F. This ensures reliability in various weather conditions, extends the dashcam's lifespan, and provides an additional 3-4 seconds of recording even when powered off, reducing the risk of overheating or explosion. Pros: high-resolution video quality. The 1600p resolution with an f/1.8 6-glass lens delivers excellent clarity, making it easy to capture details, including license plates and road signs. Vibrant, realistic colors. The Real Cube image technology enhances color and light balance, adding visual depth and realism to every frame. Comprehensive coverage. Dual cameras cover both front and rear views, providing a complete perspective that's ideal for accident documentation. Continuous monitoring. The 24-hour parking monitoring mode, along with an advanced IPS power management system, offers round-the-clock protection without draining the car battery. Reliable collision detection. The G sensor immediately locks relevant footage in the event of a collision, preserving critical evidence. Extreme temperature endurance. Powered by a supercapacitor, the dashcam can operate safely in a wide range of temperatures, ensuring durability and longevity. Discrete and adjustable design. The camera's compact, foldable form factor fits seamlessly into your car's interior without obstructing the view, and it's easy to adjust. Cons: high storage requirements. While it supports up to 128 GB of storage, users must invest in a high-quality SD card for optimal performance, which may add to the cost. Installation complexity for 24-hour monitoring. To enable the 24-hour parking mode, users need to purchase and install the IPS hardwire kit separately, which may not be beginner-friendly. Limited battery backup. While the supercapacitor is more durable, it provides limited recording time once the power source is disconnected, typically lasting only 3-4 seconds. No internal screen. This dash camera lacks an internal display, meaning users rely on a connected smartphone or other devices to view and adjust settings. While it may require some additional investment in storage and setup, the DDPAI Mola N3 Pro's performance and reliability make it a standout choice for those serious about on-road security. For users interested in an immersive driving experience, the SR skin effect adds a fun and unique touch, making this dashcam suitable for various driver preferences and needs.